How to get Snapchat streaks back in 2023. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Let us open our Snapchat app first and tap on our Bitmoji. You will see the settings button there. Click on that. Scroll down and under support, you will see the option for I lost my Snap streak. If this option is not available under support itself, go to I need help and there you will find the I lost my Snap streak option. Click on that. Snapchat will now show you the guideline regarding how you can store this streak. You will see an option for restore beside the username of the person you lost the streak with. Click on the restore button and your streak will be restored. If your Snapchat is not showing the restore option and instead it is showing a form, then fill up the form. The form might include questions like your username, your email address, mobile number, and then the username of the friend you lost your streak with. And another questions like when did you start having this issue, how long was your Snap streak. Submit your form and wait for Snapchat to respond and your Snapchat will be restored. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.